Hello, dear followers of Stories of Loughty. As we embark on another thrilling tale, join me in the mysterious town of Maplewood, where Halloween is more than costumes and candy. In this town, the annual charity ball is about to take an unexpected turn, as one investigative journalist delves into the secrets hidden within the shadows of this festive night. Get ready for the Halloween Heist, a story of intrigue, suspense, and a surprising twist that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Let's dive in. In the small, quiet town of Maplewood, Halloween was always a special occasion. The townspeople celebrated it with elaborate decorations, trick-or-treating, and, most notably, the annual Halloween Charity Ball. This year, the Grand Charity Ball was held in the spacious Maplewood Hall, a beautifully restored old theatre. Among the attendees was Samuel Reed, a renowned investigative journalist with a penchant for solving real-world mysteries. He had been invited as an honorary guest for his contributions to the community. As Samuel entered the ballroom, the air was filled with laughter and the rustling of costumes. The decorations were elaborate, transforming the theatre into a haunted mansion, complete with cobwebs and eerie, flickering candlelight. The center of attention was the host of the event, Mayor Alan Mitchell, who was known for his love of elaborate costumes. This year, he was dressed as a 1920s gangster, complete with a pinstripe suit and a fedora. He carried a briefcase, which was rumored to hold something of great value. As Samuel mingled with the guests, he couldn't help but overhear hushed conversations. Rumors were circulating about the mysterious contents of the mayor's briefcase. Some said it held evidence of corruption, while others believed it contained a valuable artifact. Samuel's investigative instincts kicked in, and he decided to learn more. Approaching the mayor, who was surrounded by a group of admirers, Samuel asked casually, "What's the story behind that mysterious briefcase of yours, Mayor Mitchell?" The mayor grinned, playing along with the intrigue, and replied, Mr. Reed, I'm just playing a character for the evening. It's all part of the Halloween fun." Samuel was not so easily deterred. He continued to circulate, discreetly asking other guests about the briefcase. He soon discovered that there was a general air of suspicion. The charity ball's geists were convinced that the mayor was hiding something significant in the case, and they wanted to know what it was. As the night progressed, Samuel couldn't shake the feeling that there was a story here, waiting to be uncovered. With the help of some like-minded guests, he hatched a plan to solve the mystery of the mayor's briefcase. The guests decided to stage a mock heist during the night. They would create a diversion and use the opportunity to take a closer look at the briefcase without the mayor's knowledge. The plan was executed with precision, with one guest causing a scene on the dance floor, diverting the mayor's attention. While the mayor was distracted, Samuel and his allies discreetly opened the briefcase and found it contained a collection of old letters and photographs. They quickly snapped photos of the contents and then carefully sealed the briefcase again. The letters and photographs, when examined, revealed a long-lost love story from the town's past. It appeared that the mayor's briefcase held a piece of local history that was unknown to the townspeople. Samuel decided to confront Mayor Mitchell with this information, and the mayor confessed that the contents of the briefcase were part of a town heritage project, intended to uncover and share forgotten stories from Maplewood's history. The Halloween Charity Ball ended with the mayor unveiling the contents of the briefcase to the attendees, turning it into a heartwarming display of the town's rich history. The townspeople were delighted to learn about their ancestors and their enduring love stories. The event was a memorable Halloween night, filled with suspense, intrigue, and ultimately a heartwarming discovery. It became a cherished story shared throughout Maplewood, ensuring that the town's history would be remembered for generations to come. And there you have it, another thrilling tale from Stories of Loughty. I hope you enjoyed The Halloween Heist, a story of mystery, intrigue, and a heartwarming discovery. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like and share this video. Your support keeps these stories coming, and I'm always eager to bring you more captivating tales. Thank you for being a part of our storytelling journey, and I can't wait to see you again for our next thrilling adventure. Until then, stay curious and keep the mystery alive. Good night, dear followers, and sweet dreams.